everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is me Anira once again. This is day 2 of my workshop and आज थोड़े डिफरेंट टॉपिक सिखाए जाने वाले हैं जो मैं आपको अपडेट करती रहूँगी आगे व्लॉग में. सो बने रहिए एंड स्टे ट्यून एंड लेट्स गो. आई एम ऑलरेडी गेटिंग सो लेट. आज थोड़ा धूप कम है बट गर्मी उतनी ही है. इट्स लिटरली 30 डिग्री और इतना धूप है कि मैं क्या बोलूँ. इंडिया के बराबर आ चुका है जॉर्जिया का टेम्परेचर गाइस. एंड ये फॉरेन कंट्रीज में पंखे क्यों नहीं होते और ना इसमें एसी है ये घर में. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. लोग रहेंगे कैसे आप बताइए जरा. लोग कैसे रहेंगे. एनीवेज ये सब करते बैठेंगे तो मैं लोकेशन पे पहुंच नहीं पाऊंगी. तो मैं एक बात बताना भूल गई कि आज का लोकेशन इज़ डिफरेंट लोकेशन. तो मुझे यहाँ से जल्दी निकलना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज ये लोकेशन 2 स्टॉप आगे है मेरे से. तो मैंने सब लंच वंच कर लिया है बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी 2:30 राइट नाउ एंड मुझे 15 मिनट में वहाँ पे पहुँचना है क्योंकि 3 बजे स्टार्ट होने वाला है. तो मैं 15 मिनट जल्दी पहुँचना चाहती हूँ. So that's why. So I'm getting late now, so I should leave. See you guys soon. Bye bye. मैं ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच चुकी हूँ लोकेशन पे. ये जो बिल्डिंग दिख रही है वो है. लेट्स गो.
Single-handed knotting. Okay, so we are making sure we keep our palm here like this. Okay, and we just do this. Okay, or else you can hold the string like this and make sure it is like this. Okay, it is coming from below to above. And when this is done, so this second leg you keep it from above to below. Okay, this is done. Now can you see 2 ends? 2 surfaces. Okay, so just make sure you take this string and go below this string and pull it. So the knot is done.
So here the Dr. Lasha has arrived finally and he's now teaching us about the laparoscopic procedures.
She's given me the third one and I'm trying to find a place where to place the third true cord. So these are the true cords I brought it from my hospital. 10mm true cord and 5mm true cord. So inside we have got sharp side.
So here he is telling us about the difference between the open and the laparoscopic surgery. As you can see, the scars are so much lesser than comparison to the open cancer surgery. So here he is talking about the vertical sleeve gastrectomy, which is done on the patients who want to reduce their weight, for example, obese patients. So this is the another surgery which is known as Rox and White gastric bypass surgery. It is also a weight loss surgery where the stomach is made much smaller and connected directly to the middle part of the small intestine. So food bypasses the rest of the stomach and the first part of the intestine. This helps people eat less and absorb fewer calories, leading to significant weight loss. So now the doctor is teaching us about the hernia repair by using mesh. So you can see how he's putting a mesh inside the Bowman specimen and doing the suturing.
Reinforcement will finally decrease the chance of hernia recurrence, and all the hernia repairs without the mesh had very high recurrence rate. Up to 15-20%. So in case of mesh, it's less than 1%.
Now we are performing skin grafting. This was one of the most interesting procedure I visualized there. Just look at it, how smoothly and how thin epidermis layer of the skin is being removed by the instrument. It's so amazing, right?
So you can see. So I harvested the skin, take the skin up, and take the flap out.
This is a skin transplanting procedure. Here you have to make a 45 angle and 30 angle Z line across the wound, and you have to cut that part of the skin, and you have to put that skin over the wound, as you can see how the doctor is doing. Clock it! Lol. Now, finally, it's our time to practice on the bone specimens, and I'm always excited for this part of the workshop. So let's enjoy. तो ये प्रोसीजर है बोन काटने का, which is the bone amputation. So that's what they are doing. They are like basically cutting the bone through that instrument, and it was, to be honest, very hard. You need two people to do that, like from one side, another person should hold it. As you can see now, they will do in a few seconds. So now they are trying their maximum force, and here we go. So thank you so much for watching this till the end, and please subscribe my channel. See you later.